Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of spacetime. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Filecoin. Stellar, near, Filecoin price analysis. 01 March. While overall sentiment saw a rapid improvement in the last 24 hours, Stellar and nears RSI to test its overbought levels before facing a slight pullback. On the other hand, Filecoin's super trend continued to be in the green zone, while flashing high volatility in the near term. Stellar XLM, after recovering from its January lows, they all saw impressive gains by rising above all its EMA ribbons. However, since the sellers accelerated their force at the $0.2464 level, XLM descended in a down channel, yellow. After losing over 37% of its value, XLM plunged towards its 13-month low on 24 February. During this phase, the 20 EMA continued to display a strong resistance. Over the last 5 days, XLM was up by 21% and broke out of its down channel. Also, the bulls kept testing the 19 cents resistance, while marking higher troughs. This trajectory revealed increasing bullish influence. Any close above this resistance could propel a test towards the $0.209 mark. At press time, XLM was trading at $0.198 begins again. When presale you don't have to look too far for is Firepin, FRPN. Their presale began just over a week ago, and early investors are already reaping the rewards. One of the newest cryptocurrencies, Firepin token, FRPN, has a lot of potential for development in 2022. Firepin will provide access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, Sol, and Avalanche, AVAX, FRPN. Several solutions will be combined, so that holders may do multi-chain swaps at the least price and timely rates feasible. A 15% presale allocation of Firepin, FRPN, will be available on PancakeSwap, PS, and Uniswap, US. As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, Firepin, FRPN, looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, Tez, are two such currencies that fared very well during their presale, XTZ. With the Filecoin, Fil, presale started in 2017, it had already generated it by Trust Commerce in 2001. In looking at a way to protect the sensitive credit card details of its users, the payment solutions issued the first digital tokens, randomized numbers, which were non-sensitive data equivalent. Before this, online payment services would store the sensitive information of their users in servers. However, these servers were susceptible to breach from hackers looking to access this information. When a cardholder performed an online transaction, the merchant was referred back to Trust Commerce, which would then process the information on their behalf. This both eliminated the need for merchants to store credit card details, and also protected cardholders from hackers. Blockchain and tokenization. Issuing a token on a blockchain magnifies its usefulness exponentially. The blockchain records the issuance, and maintains a ledger of every single movement of that token. Conventional tokenized assets created multiple tokens for every user who accesses the file. However, a blockchain creates a permanent, immutable record of the tokens, by using a distributed ledger. When a transaction takes place on a blockchain, instead of creating a new representation of the token, the ledger accesses the token stored and updates itself to reflect the spend, thus overcoming the double spend problem. Benefits of tokenization. In addition to solving the double spend problem of tokenization, issuing a token on a distributed ledger or blockchain adds a lot of benefits to the token. Some of the benefits blockchain tokenized assets enjoy are greater security. Tokens issued on a blockchain stand to benefit from cryptography and the distribution registry to get a greater level of security. Cryptography is a method of storing confidential information in open databases. While anybody can download the database, only those with a special decryption secret key can access the information. Operating on a distribution registry means that information is simultaneously stored on multiple devices and synchronized. An update is added only when a majority of the participants reach a consensus. Transparency. The hallmark of a blockchain is transparency. Because it runs on an open source code, users can view the source of the blockchain as well as transactions. This increases the confidence of its users as well as reduces the cases of fraud and asset theft. Fewer intermediaries. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filecoin, Phil, a good investment? How much will Filecoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filecoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Phil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Phil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21, and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Phil price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filecoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Phil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filecoin price prediction 2024. The current price range of Filecoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Phil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filecoin course forecast 2025. Phil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 20